stop scrolling for a moment. This is challenge day 38, and today's video may be the one that finally changes how you see your life, your habits, and your future. If you are learning English, trying to improve yourself, or simply feeling stuck and tired of starting again and again, then stay with me. On this channel, we don't just practice English. We train the mind, we build discipline, and we grow step by step every single day. So take a deep breath, relax your body, and listen carefully until the end. This message is not loud motivation. It is calm truth, and calm truth is what creates real change. Welcome, everyone. Today's video is not just another motivational talk that sounds good for 5 minutes and then disappears. This is a wake-up call, a reminder, and a life-altering message for anyone who feels like they are not moving forward. Today, we are not talking about dreams, wishes, or imagination. We are talking about the one thing that turns dreams into reality. That one thing is consistency. Let me say this honestly, from my heart. Talent means nothing without consistency. I have seen extremely talented people waste their lives, sitting at home waiting for the perfect moment. And I have seen very normal, average people build extraordinary lives simply because they showed up and did the work every single day. You do not need perfect English. You do not need money, connections, or a perfect background. You do not need to be the smartest person in the room. What you need is much simpler and much harder at the same time. You need to choose one thing and work on it every single day, even when you are tired, bored, or unsure. Because in the end, your life is not built by big decisions. Your life is built by the small things you repeat daily. In this video, I will explain the true power of consistency from the very beginning. I will share real-life examples and stories that are simple, clear, and easy to understand, even if you are a beginner in English. If you truly want to grow, if you are tired of quitting, if you want to build a better future step by step, then this video is for you. This is not fake motivation. This is not sugar-coated advice. This is real, because real change only comes from real words and real action. And remember, on this channel, you are not just learning English. You are learning how to think better, how to grow stronger, and how to become consistent with your life. So subscribe, stay with the challenge, and let's learn something meaningful together every single day. Let's start from the root. What is consistency? Consistency means showing up again and again, even when you don't feel ready, even when you feel tired, scared, or broken, and even when no one is watching or supporting you. It means doing something small every day instead of doing something big once and then disappearing. It is not about being perfect. It is about being present again and again without excuses. For example, if you want to become fluent in English, do you think it will happen in one day or 1 week? Of course not. But if you speak 5 new sentences every day, watch 1 English video daily, and read a short paragraph without skipping days, something powerful begins to happen. After a few months, your brain slowly starts thinking in English. After 1 year, your confidence changes, your tongue relaxes, your fear disappears. That is the quiet power of consistency.
So now let me ask you something, and I want you to answer honestly in your heart. If nothing in your life is changing, if your English is not improving, if your confidence feels weak, is it really because you are not capable, or is it because you stop too often? Most people don't fail because they are not good enough. They fail because they don't stay long enough. Consistency is not loud. It does not shout. It works quietly, slowly, patiently. But one day, you look back and realize something powerful. You are no longer the same person. Your English feels easier, your mind feels stronger, your discipline feels natural. That is how real change happens, not in one dramatic moment, but in hundreds of small, silent decisions to keep going. Remember this, your future does not need you to be perfect, it needs you to be consistent. Even on the days when you feel tired, even on the days when you feel slow, even on the days when you feel like quitting, especially on those days. Now, let me give you simple, real tips to learn English using consistency, not pressure. 1. Do a little English every day, no matter what. Do not wait for free time or motivation. Even 10 minutes a day is enough if you don't skip. Listen to one short video, read one small paragraph, speak a few sentences out loud. Small daily contact with English is better than long study once a week. 2. Choose one habit and protect it. Do not try to do everything. Choose one simple habit like listening to English every morning, reading one page before sleep, repeating 5 sentences daily. Protect this habit like it is important, because it is. When English becomes part of your routine, progress becomes automatic. 3. Speak badly, but speak daily. Do not wait to speak perfect English. Perfect English does not exist. What exists is brave English. Speak with mistakes. Speak slowly. Speak alone if you must. Your mouth learns by moving, not by waiting. 4. Use repetition, not pressure. Repeat the same words, repeat the same sentences, repeat the same videos. Repetition is not boring. Repetition is how the brain learns. Consistency plus repetition equals confidence. 5. Stay with the challenge. This is Challenge Day 38, and if you are still here, you are already stronger than you think. Do not stop now. Do not disappear. Stay with the challenge. Stay with the process. Stay with yourself. English is not just a language, it is a tool that opens doors, confidence, and new versions of you. If this video helped you, stay with us. Subscribe, listen daily, and grow slowly. You don't need to rush. You don't need to compare. Just show up tomorrow, and then the next day, and the next. One small step every day can build a life you once only imagined. This is not the end. This is the habit. See you tomorrow. Challenge continues.